to the vlogs. Say vlog. Yeah, so right now I'm inside of my school. That's pretty much all I'm doing. Brother's playing Mario Kart. In the future sometime, I will film a prank. I'm not talking about you. Well, you said in the future sometime I'm gonna film, so I finish this. Retard. In the future, I will film a prank that involves stage. Yeah, not fake. I think there's a fox. The fox just told me to shut up.
I'm going to beat the crap out of you if you don't let me shut up.
Yeah.
I'm not joking either, so don't test me. Don't test me.
Don't you know a retard when you see one? If you're into Pokemon, you will understand.
Guys, quit slamming
I'm
it.
not slamming it, I just pushed it. Yeah.
Browse.
Yes. Yeah. So, notice all the little holes on these handcuffs right there that it's just, have you ever wondered this part on a handcuff key? You know how you can take a handcuff, push it through, put it like that, take the end, put it in the hole, it won't move forward or backward. Then you got the regular part of the key, just take it, and unlock the cuffs. So yeah, we'll be filming a prank with that sometime in my new channel's name. I'm just gonna change the name of this channel. Bye.